Yeah. Oh, it says type, don't copy and paste. Oh well, I'll show you in a practice. Important to type. You're right. Okay, so it's Ollie bike sharing. Okay, so next, use an H3 heading to create the tagline for Ollie bike sharing on the next line. Okay, so now we're using the H3 tag, which if you recall is smaller than the H1 tag. So the appearance of the text on the website or the web page will be very much smaller. If you run that, as you can see, it's like 1/3 of the size of that H1 tag, which is, if you look at the dimensions 1, 2, 3, that's exactly right. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, so add a paragraph. The web page has a heading and a tagline. Next, we will add a description of the company. The HTML paragraph element P is used to hold one or more sentences, just like paragraphs in an essay or a book. So paragraph text here. Let's use a paragraph element to add the company description. Instructions number 1. Below the H3 element, add a paragraph element that contains a description of the company. Here's an example. Run your code. In the web browser, notice how text enclosed by the P tags is smaller than the heading text and is not bold. Right, so they say just underneath the H3 element, we're going to start off with the P tags. Then let's type it out so we can get good practice in. Very important to type the sentences and paragraphs out. Very, very important. You learn by doing. Very, very important. When it comes to program, you learn by doing, building projects, so on and so forth. And at the same time, you'll enhance your keystrokes. You'll speed up your typing speed and improve your muscle memory greatly. So I don't know if I have told you guys that there is a website that really helped me when I was struggling, or rather not when I was struggling, when I was trying to increase my typing speed. Like right now I'm not typing very fast, but I'm taking it easy. But I usually type it around, I can type it around about 70 words per minute. But look, that's what the point that I'm trying to make is that if you go to tbr.com, yeah, you can practice your typing skills there, and you can try and increase your typing speed. Within a month, you'll hit 50 words per minute, 60 words per minute, even 100 words per minute, if you depending on how dedicated you are. So, okay, let me run this. Okay, that's right. As you can see, the P tag is much smaller than the H elements. All right, let's move forward. Anchor elements, nice work.